Hello friend, today I am going to show you how to design 2 letters logo in triangle. At first take a triangle. Then add 2 lines for making the triangle in 2 parts for 2 letters. I am going to create MS logo in triangle as example. For M take a line and align it with 2 lines. Now take a horizontal line for S. Now select all, go to Object option and select Expand. Now add some lines for cut the shape for M and S. Now select Shape Builder tools and cut the extra parts of logo. Then delete extra lines. Select all and make Unite. Now add a polygon and align with triangle. Then select all, Ctrl+C for copy, and go to Object then Path, select Offset Path. Adjust the pixel, then click OK. Select all, go to Object, then Expand. Add a different color, press the Ctrl+Shift+V for paste. Now select all, then cut the extra parts with Shape Builder tools by pressing Alt key. Then select all and make Unite. Add color. Add the name of logo. Your logo is ready. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Please do subscribe for next video.